If you've already decided that 2025 is going to be different for you, this is how you back that decision with real action. Because it's not enough to just set goals. If you want steady cash flow, not hype, not a lottery win, then you need a system. And the truth? Chatgpt can help you build it faster than ever, if you know how to use it right. So grab a notebook. You're going to want to write a few things down. Let's start with something most people miss. The reason you're not making money online isn't because you're lazy or not smart. It's because you don't have a clear money system, not a job, not a hustle, a system. And right now, in 2025, the most beginner-friendly way to build that system is with Chatgpt. Not because it's magical, but because it's practical. You don't need to be a tech bro. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to understand how to use Chatgpt like a tool, not a toy. There are 3 phases to building a Chatgpt-powered cash flow system. And this is the same structure I shared in my book Chatgpt Secrets for Steady Cash Flow. Link is in the description if you want the deeper guide. Phase 1 is what I call prompt to profit. Most people open Chatgpt and ask random questions. That's fine, if you're doing homework. But if you're building income, your prompts must have a goal. So ask better questions like, what are 10 niche blog ideas I can write that solve people's problems? Or, give me a 5-day YouTube script plan to help beginners make money from home. Or, act as a social media strategist and plan a content funnel that leads to affiliate sales. See the difference? You're not chatting, you're building. This first phase is about positioning Chatgpt to become your silent partner. You give it direction, and it gives you structure. Now write this down. Money follows value. Value follows systems. Phase 2 is what I call content to cash flow. This is where Chatgpt starts doing the heavy lifting for your digital income stream. Whether it's writing lead magnets, structuring email sequences, creating ebook outlines, generating short-form video ideas, or drafting SEO blog posts, Chatgpt becomes your personal assistant that never sleeps. But here's the myth I want to bust. Just because Chatgpt can write something fast doesn't mean you should post it as is. Curation is the new creation. The people winning right now are the ones who edit AI output to match their brand, their tone, and their audience's needs. So don't just copy-paste. Use Chatgpt as your first draft assistant, not your final writer. If you're still with me, here's your reminder. Like this video so YouTube shows it to more people ready to build real income this year. Now let's talk about phase 3, automation to assets. At this stage, you're no longer trading time for money. You're using what you've built, content, products, systems, to generate income while you focus on growth. For example, you can use Chatgpt to draft scripts for a Faceless YouTube channel, then use automation tools to upload title and thumbnail. You can build out digital products like ebooks or mini courses using your AI-generated outlines. You can create and schedule a month of SEO-optimized blog posts that lead to affiliate links. This is when the compound effect kicks in. The content you made last week, still bringing in traffic. The video you uploaded a month ago, still making sales. That's steady cash flow. And don't forget this. It's not about having 100 tools. It's about using one well. In my book, Chatgpt Secrets for Steady Cash Flow, I laid out the exact prompts, tools, and monetization pathways to go from zero to income, even if you've never made $1 online. You'll find the link in the description. Start where it makes sense for you. Now let me give you something most creators won't, a reality check. If you try to do everything at once, you'll burn out. Instead, pick one income path and let Chatgpt help you speed it up. If you want to start affiliate marketing, let Chatgpt generate comparison posts, product breakdowns, or YouTube outlines. If you want to launch digital products, use Chatgpt to create the outline, draft the pages, and build your sales copy. If you want to offer freelancing services, use it to build your Fiverr profile, pitch templates, and delivery formats. Whatever you choose, go all in on that one thing. Still watching? Good. Here's what most beginners miss. Success with Chatgpt isn't about what it can do. It's about how well you understand your audience and goals. Then use the AI to get there faster. Don't be the person who hops from one trend to another. Lock in your system, refine it. Then let the tools support your vision, not distract from it. Before I wrap up, I'll leave you with a question. What if you use the next 30 days to build a ChatGPT-powered asset that keeps paying you long after the work is done? In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, with zero upfront cost. So, make sure you subscribe, because this is just the beginning. And if this video helped you get clarity on where to start, drop a comment that says, 2025 is mine. Because it is. You just need to build what's yours.